Okay, we got Carter back with us. He is out of school now. Tell him what you got to play at school today.
Boom whacker.
Boom whackers. Is it like a stick that makes noise?
Yeah, it's a stick that you bang it on the ground or bang it on your foot or your hand.
He got to play with those in music class today. They're called boom whackers. Y'all look them up. I've seen videos of other kids in his school doing them and they look pretty awesome. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many more sleeps till the pumpkin patch?
2.
2 sleeps. Where are we gonna go now? What are we gonna go eat? What are they, Carter? What's the best food in the whole world? Garlic knots.
Crackers.
Chicken crackers. We're getting ready to go eat Roma's.
Edit.
Say hi, Andy.
Hey.
That's not
I was
safe.
looking at a truck.
The truck in front of you because you're driving. Judgment.
Edit.
Alright, we're gonna go eat Roma's. We're gonna go eat us some garlic knots. And Carter wants me to edit all of this out. That's what we do when we do something bad. We say edit.
Edit.
So I'm just editing Carter out of the whole vlog today. Let's go eat, kid. Edit. Hey, Andrew, what are you doing?
What's that?
This is how Andrew shoe shops.
What do you say?
What's that fashionable shoe, Andrew? Show us your fashionable shoe. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's it right there.
He's in the store getting boots for work. He needed new boots. That's why they're so atrocious. What do you think about them, Carter? Do you want a pair for yourself?
No.
You don't want them? We're going to get a size to match.
Are those cool, man?
Yeah.
We're going to wear them for our family portraits. Cheese.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I'll work at it for that.
So scared. I'm so scared.
What are we in, Carter? The car wash? Are you scared? Carter's scared of a car wash, you guys. Are you scared, Andrew?
Oh yeah, I love this. I love this.
He was in such a grouchy mood. All it took was a car wash, you knew.
It's stuff spray. What is this? What is a storm or something? It is a storm.
It's raining. Is that cool, Carter?
Yeah. Wait, Daddy, what's this? We're going to ride my dirt bike!
He's gonna ride it if he can ever get Daddy off of it. Big boys, little toys. They get to ride the dirt bike to the barn, and I have to walk. And what sucks is I forgot to put my Fitbit on this morning, so none of these steps even matter. I know somebody out there understands. What's happening?
Daddy's gonna take a ride.
Daddy's gonna ride your dirt bike. Think he'll do better than you? No way. Think you hit it? Andrew's catching a ride. This is his Uber. He just called an Uber.
Can I ride with you? Off the road. Oh. Hang on, yeah.
You ain't getting a tip.
No tip for you. Alright, eat it.
Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. We gotta get an early start on bedtime because who's coming to school with you in the morning, Carter?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, we get to go. They have chapel every morning before school for like 30 minutes, so we get to go. Are you excited to have Mommy and Daddy at school tomorrow?
Yes.
Super excited?
Yes.
We're very excited, but that means that we both have to get up very early and be ready. So we gotta get to bed, right, Carter?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna
Yeah.
have dinner and head to bed. All right, what do you want to tell these people?
Be sure and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Peace.